Girl, it is way too hot outside to be putting on all this fucking makeup. What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and today's video is actually going to be super quick and easy and simple. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my no makeup routine, and I know you probably like a no makeup. Yes, this is for the girls that wake up out of bed and they do not want to look dry and crusty and crazy while going outside to Target and running errands, if you get me. Especially due to COVID, we all still have to wear the mask. So honestly, on a day-to-day basis, I haven't really been wearing like a full beat face. This is realistically like my going out, running errands, supermarket, mom, playground type of face. Before you go, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any of my videos. If you guys want to see how I get this no makeup, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching, and until next time, guys, bye. Alright guys, so jumping straight in, this is what I look like at 9 o'clock in the morning. Actually, I'm just gonna pick up my hair because it's too fucking hot. I can't do it. Ew. So usually when I'm doing these type of looks, I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, I'm always in a rush or I'm just lazy. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. So in today's case, I'm actually in a rush. My mom is on her way to get me, so that way we can like run some errands, and mama is literally gonna be here in 10 minutes. And when she calls me and I'm not dressed, she is going to flip the fuck out. So I need to hurry up. You feel what I'm saying? Like, if you have a Spanish mom, you know that when you're on their time, that time is ticking. This is my hurry up and take your ass downstairs routine. This is that hurry the fuck up, we about to go to Target routine. This is that kind of routine. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy because back then I used to like try to do a full beat in 20 minutes. Now, bitch, at age 25, I am so over it. So yeah, let me just zoom in. That way we can jump straight in. Just to make the process quicker, beside my massive makeup collection, I like to put kind of like my everyday makeup products, my go-to foundation, mascara, like things that I reach for on a day-to-day basis in my little makeup bag. Do not judge me because she is hella dirty, but I love it because the inside is plastic. This bag is actually from Benefits. So yeah, I got this when I used to work at Sephora super long time ago. But anyway, I like to put my everyday makeup in here. If you guys actually want to know what's in like my everyday makeup bag, then let me know, because that'll actually be a fun little video. And you guys are gonna be so shocked of how minimal this look is, because when I say that I do this literally in like 2 seconds, like I'm out the door, done. Okay, so the first thing I go ahead and do is go in, of course, with some moisturizer. I want still the skin to be prepped, but I'm not trying to do the most. I'm not gonna go in excessively with a million primers. I'm literally just gonna make sure that I'm not looking, you know, dry and crusty in the morning. This is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Lotion. So this has coconut and shea butter. You can put this on your face as well as all over your body. So I kind of like to just quickly put this on my hand, warm it up, and just slap it on my face. Okay, next, of course, just to like brighten up my under eye, because I'm telling you, this step is crucial, especially when you're not wearing a lot of makeup. I feel like just awakening this area just literally makes the best difference. So I'm gonna be going in with the Pixi. This is their Retinol Eye Cream. I really enjoy this eye cream. This is a smoothing eye cream, but it does have a little bit of like a yellow tinge to it, so it definitely does brighten up my under eye. A little trick that I like to do when I have acrylics, I like to tap in my eye cream just like that. So now we have our skincare on, and I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I can definitely just see the difference in my skin with how hydrated I look, how awake I look. Skincare is definitely key. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my brows, and for my brows, I'm going to be taking the Benefit. This is their Gimme Brow, and I've been really enjoying this. So what this is kind of like a tinted little like brow mascara. So this is what the wand looks like, and what this is gonna do for me, as you guys can see, I have literally no brows. Bring some life to them and like fill them in just a little bit. So I kind of like to just coat my brows with this, and I'm telling you, like, even if you have no brows, this does something. It literally does something for me without actually having to like take out my pencil and do the most. And this is just super quick and easy for me because, like I said, it is just like a tinted mascara. So, and that's how I really get it to grab those little hairs. And what I'm also doing, as you guys can see, because you know my eyebrow hairs can kind of like go down, I'm just lifting up all that hair to kind of like give me more of like a facelift in a way. like, it's not a dramatic difference, but it is a slight difference. As you guys can see, this brow just looks a little bit more put together and there versus this brow. It's kind of like, girl, we just woke up. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail lash curler. This one is from e.l.f. I literally just picked up another one because, girl, I love this lash curler. It is so good. So basically what I like to do, instead of just like, you know, I like to bring the eyelash curler like that. For some strange reason, I feel like it just curls more better because your lashes are now like facing up. So yeah, I like to give my lashes a decent curl, and I'm telling you, this also makes such a huge difference with a no makeup routine, because it is literally just like opening up your eyes, especially if you do this in the morning, because I look awake now. So next I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and my go-to mascara at the moment has been this one from KKW. If you guys do not want to splurge on a high-end mascara, I also do have another favorite. This one is from Essence, and this is their Princess Lash Mascara. So this one is only $3 versus the KKW one that's about like 20 something dollars, I believe. So yeah, but girl, I've been loving this KKW one. Oh my gosh, it's been doing something for my lashes, and I don't know what's in this formula, but I feel like ever since I've been actually using this mascara, I've been actually seeing my lashes grow. And it's crazy because I'm still wearing falsies, I'm still picking at my lashes like I normally do. And girl, I feel like my lashes have never looked so full and long in a hot minute. And I just love the way that this mascara really coats your lashes and makes them look nice and full. Okay, so now I have the mascara on, and do you guys see the difference with just putting on some mascara? Like, girl, we look real awake and ready for the day now. But of course, I do want to, you know, cancel out these little dark circles that's really making us look tired. So for that, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I do have mine in the shade Medium Peach. So it's not going to be too bright. You do not want to use a really like highlighted, brightening concealer. You want it to actually be somewhat similar, close to your skin tone. So yeah. So at this point, I just kind of like to spot conceal in areas that I just feel like I need it. And then I like to go in with a brush instead of a sponge. Not because I prefer it. Like I said, usually when I'm doing this routine, I'm in a rush. So I either forget to wet my sponge, or I don't got time to get up, go to the bathroom, wet the sponge, whatever. So I usually just use a brush. And this one is the Morphe G2 foundation brush. And I like to do my face first and then leave my under eye for last, only so that way that can be sitting there the longest, kind of, so that way I have the most coverage underneath my eyes. And then now I am going to tap underneath my under eye and really blend out that concealer. So now I'm just going to quickly set my under eye, and for that I'm going to be taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Like I said, you do not want to use like a super mattifying powder and the rest of your skin is nice and dewy. So this is more of like a natural finish type of powder. Is going to leave more like a satin skin like finish. So it's not going to really dry out these areas that I'm applying the powder. So I'm not going to set my whole entire under eye like what I do when I have a full beat. I'm literally just going to concentrate the brush literally right in this inner corner, because that's where my concealer can tend to crease. And I also want to set my nose, because my nose can tend to be, you know, a little bit shiny, as well as my top lip. Thanks to my mom, I always get a sweaty top lip. Okay, so now this is what my skin looks like. It looks nice and even. The brows are on. We have some mascara. There is a little bit life to the face, but I do sometimes feel like I can tend to look flat and like matte, and I like to really like still have that natural glow. So a new product that I just recently incorporated in my no makeup routine is actually this Morphe Maddie Ziegler. This is their Dew Balm from Morphe, and girl, I've been really liking this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I told you guys I've been actually obsessed with this Dew Balm for my no makeup days. So yeah, if you guys seen my tutorial with the Maddie Ziegler collection, you guys seen me use this with a full foundation, full on beats, but today I'm going to be showing you how I use this actually with a minimal makeup look. Yeah, so this is honestly gonna add more of like a glass skin type of finish to your face, and that's the look that I'm kind of going for. So I actually like to leave it down because this product could tend to like melt because it's super creamy and soft. So I leave it down, and then I just like to run my finger right there at the top. So I like to hit this on the top points of my cheeks, and I like to use my finger when I apply this. For some reason, it just gives me the best finish. I also like to hit right here on top of my eyebrow. If you guys know your face, you know where the light will naturally hit your face. So that's exactly where you want to put this product. So I'm going to hit right here on my brow bone. I also like to hit right here on the tip of my nose. Kind of like a little sweat nose. And right here at the bridge. Also going to do the other side. And when I'm doing this, you guys, I like to fully go all around the temple. Like really tap it into that temple. Because when you're naturally sweating this area, you know, it's not just here and here. You want to make sure like you're really bringing that up and around. What I love about this product as well is that it really melts into your skin. It doesn't sit on top of the skin. So it's not like, hey, what's that greasy stuff you have on top of your skin? It literally just looks like you're naturally glowing. Like, look at that. Ooh, girl. Hello? All right, give me 5 minutes. All right, you guys, just in time because my mom is downstairs. So last but not least, of course, is the lips. This is a lip plumper. This one is from Hard Candy, and this is their Maximum Pout Plumping Serum. And I talked about this in my favorites. I love this. Girl, for my no makeup lip plumper, I have to have lip plumper, especially because it adds like a tint to my lips. This is more like a serum, so it just looks like a clear gloss, but it adds a little plumpiness. You get what I'm saying? And it also kind of like makes your lips a little red so they stand out a lot more. They don't look so flat like what they look now. Alright, beauty, so this is the completed no makeup. As you guys can see, it just looks simple, clean, fresh. You look put together. You look more awake. I literally just wet my hair because it is way too hot outside to do anything with it. I'll probably honestly just throw it in a bun. But yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. Now let me just hurry up before my mom starts spazzing because she already called me like 3 times and I'm kind of declining her calls. So before she fuck me up, let me hurry up and go. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Comment down below what video you guys want to see next, and until next time, guys, bye.